Security forces beef up presence in Montego Bay as murders grip the western city. This evening we have reporters live from the west. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, class has resumed at Glendevon Primary after gunfire disruption.
Caught on camera, brazen gunfire at gas station.
And in other news, the government says it will not raid NHT to plug budget gap.
There's also a ray of hope, sports commentary and primetime weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Are you reassured by the comments made by the Prime Minister and heads of the security forces in the wake of the bloodletting out west?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet at television jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.